Hi. So, just a short video to talk about what the hell I'm getting ready to do. What you're looking at is the brand new easel I just got from Amazon. Why? Well, I will explain. So, there's my old easel. I built that one myself. But because my house is the way it is, as you can see, my desk, yada, 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 that easel was to sit up there. But herein lied the problem. So, this was my final last semester at Humboldt. No, it's not finished. Not even close. It won't fit on that easel. I had to buy a new one. It finally got here today. So the next couple of days, I'm going to finish this project. And then I'm going to get started with the new semester and new craziness. We're just getting started for the new one. Stay tuned. Till next time.